The basics of drilling a hole in tile is just getting the right bit. And then we're going to just put it on the marked hole, and then with a lot of pressure, press on that as you slowly turn the drill bit. And you can hear it kind of crunching. And that kind of starts the hole. And there you go. With these diamond tip bits, they really do a fine job on the tile. Go right straight through it, very clean. And then you're through. You only get one shot at this. I'm taking the piece that I want to mount on the tile, and I'm lining it up just to make sure that that drill bit didn't walk on the tile and misalign this next hole. And so if it's still good, then I can go ahead and drill the next one. Went and remarked the hole. It looked like it moved a little bit. And since you only get one shot at this, it needs to be right the first time you drill. And once it starts, it's pretty easy from that point on. All right, since we got unlucky, we're going to use these wall anchors, but the directions say I need to drill these holes 5/16 inch, which is bigger than what I started with. That's just big enough to fit the screw. And since the screw, there's nothing behind this tile, we're going to put this wall anchor in, but the holes need to be 5/16 of an inch. So we have our bigger drill bit. Pretty straightforward. Okay, so we'll just put that in there, give it a little tap. Same thing. I hate wall anchors, but we got no choice.
Hope this video helps. Thanks a lot for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.